Hello everyone, welcome back in the building. Hope everyone is doing good. So today I have another interesting video that might help you to troubleshoot this issue here. My neighbor called me to just go and check what was going on with this machine. When I got there, I found that water was blocked, and my suspicion was the valve itself. But when I checked the valve, water was flowing after opening the valve cap, and water was flowing out. So the only blockage that we were facing was the pipe. The blockage was just happened right after the valve itself, in the outlet pipe. So let me confirm it again. You see, there's still high pressurized water and underneath the valve. So what you need to do right now is to look for something to we can maybe fish out some dirty stuffs inside the outlet that is stuck inside the outlet pipe. See, I just created my hook. Let's see what's going on. As you can see, I just removed a little bit piece of paper. Water is now starting to flow out, but we are not done yet. So the first thing we need to do is to plug our machine code and select a drainage valve. While the machine is running, building more pressure, we need to block the valve for more pressure to be held inside the system. You see, after that, after letting go of everything, water shoots out like crazy. So here, make sure that everything got pushed down the stream so that it might be removed, because doing so it will allow things like stones and maybe coins that might have been washed underneath the valve to flow, but they're now going to come out. It will just help everything to be pushed closer to the opening so that we can remove everything much easier. So doing this 1 to 3 more times until you finally see that the water is having low pressure. But you see, it is blocked again. Here we go. Pressure still underneath the valve. So what we need to do is to open again. Use my wire to hook everything out. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Pay attention. Just watch. Another thing you need to do on your valve is to clean it regularly, because the gang stuff and some dirty things may stuck underneath it. And when you're trying to close the valve while trying to wash, the thing that you're facing is you will see water continuously flowing out of the valve, draining water in the washing tab non-stop. So this is the whole stuff that you see here that might prevent the sealant. So anything underneath the sealant valve, underneath the plunger itself, may cause those issues. So after doing so, having a cleaned plunger, you need to insert maybe a brush or something, to an old toothbrush, just to clean and rinse off inside the valve housing itself, so that nothing making sure that nothing is stuck. So you see, all the ganky stuff was stacking heavily on our rubber plunger valve. So now I think everything is good. Valve maintenance is good. Take care of your machine. You are going to thank me later. Okay, right after cleaning the valve, I just need to fetch some water and pour it heavily inside the washing tab, so that whatever is stacking underneath the pulsator might be pushed out with the heavy water falling inside, unlike somebody using a pipe, because water from the bucket has a certain amount of weight that might push out everything. So trying to open the valve, spinning your machine, making some turns might help everything to be washed down the stream. We are not done cleaning yet. Remove the opening so that whatever is stuck inside might be pushed. Heavier objects like wires, coins must be washed out. After opening the valve, see that after pouring some water, clean water was coming out, but doing so, ensure that you redirect the flow of water with your hand to prevent it from flowing direct to your motors. It might cause a heavy damage and cost you a fortune. So let me pour some water, see what's going on. Open the valve so that pressure might not rise while using your hand to redirect your water. The thing you might allow your water is to flow underneath the washing machine base, but not straight to your motors. Use your 2 fingers again, push everything, shaking that thing, wiggling it, but be careful not to dent your. See the crazy stuff, all the black things you see on the ground just came out of this, you see. So now let's use our fishing rod, our fishing homemade wire again. You see what I'm talking about. Now we saw everything coming, money clips, everything like crazy, man. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe. Insert my wire everywhere inside the outlet, but on this side I couldn't find anything because I know that there's nothing. Alright, here's another piece of video. This homemade rod must be used to fish whatever starts falling inside the dryer tab, because as you can see, there's some cloth that has been falling inside the dryer tab. Thanks for watching.